Leche flan is very eggs, halib, milk. Tama na, no? Milk on sugar, caramel, no? Condensed milk, and then eggs. Egg yellow ra ba na? Egg yolk? Oh, egg yolk. 3 pieces eggs, egg yellow, 1 can milk mid, mikos, and then you make brown sugar, white sugar, make soy brown in the fire, caramel, like this, caramel in the downs, up in the